democratically elected Prime Minister is completing 12 years. This is the longest tenure. I am in politics for the last 50 years. I have worked with so many Prime Ministers. I have watched them with close quarters. But the present Prime Minister is a unique person by having all qualities to take country forward. He created a history. 2001, he became Chief Minister. Till today, continuously he is democratically electing, and also all his policies are unique policies. Even simple intervention, scaling, multiplier effect, big impact, and also if you see all reforms he has brought, either economic reforms, even so many deficiencies in the system, all deficiencies he has corrected. First time in the country, stable government and sustained economic growth and also sustained development is going on in this country. This century belongs to Narendra Modi ji. We are proud to be, as an Indian, having this type of leader for our country. Always I strongly believe leader makes all the difference. Either a family or a company or a country, anything for that matter. Right time, we are having excellent leader. Now everything is set in. I am confident 2047 Viksit Bharat is not far away. What all he mentioned, it will be done beyond that. That is going to happen. Even inclusive society, that is where he is building. Even if you see, nowhere in the world technology is using in government, even DBT, even food security, you name anything, even digital transactions, everything, India is unique. Under his leadership, again, we are working as a team. As on today, fourth largest economy, we are aiming number one economy in the near future. Everything is possible. Indians are acquired tremendous knowledge and technology. We are in inspiring time. Under his leadership, country will move from strength to strength. Ultimately, as on yesterday, we are not in a position to talk with strength. Today, we are talking to anybody with strength. And also our Honorable Prime Minister always saying, global good, Vasudhaiva Kutumbam, and also everybody should be happy. That is his mission. In this extraordinary situation, I got an opportunity today to pass the resolution. I am very happy. I am thankful to all members of NDA and also central ministers, particularly Honorable Prime Minister, for leading all of us towards Viksit Bharat. Thank you. Thank you.